Happy New Year's, you guys! I know that we're about a week into 2018, but I hope that you guys are having a good year thus far. So I figured that this will be a sort of get to know the artist video, except I'm changing things up by drawing myself as a student at Hogwarts. So, a little story of my experience with Pottermore. I took the sorting test years ago and I got sorted into Gryffindor. And then a couple months ago, I had to retake my sorting test again because it had been so long since I used my account. And Pottermore had this whole upgraded sorting thing. So long story short, I'm a Slytherin, which I find interesting since it's the rival house to Gryffindor. I have no idea how that happened, but in a way I feel like it really does suit me. Do tell me what houses you guys are in. I'll make a poll in the upper right hand corner, so please tell me. I suppose I should get into the get to know me part. First thing that people always seem to comment about me is that I'm shy. I have gotten better over the years, but truth be told, I'm a total introvert. I love to travel. I've been to Korea, Japan, China, the Philippines, New York, Boston, and Canada. And I feel like I've probably forgotten some places to mention, but those are the top places I can think of right now. I do own a dog. Her name is Hershey. I love my dog so much, but I am interested in raising a cat. That probably won't happen anytime soon, but I think it would be awesome to have a little kitty roaming around here. Which, by the way, I took my Patronus test, and my Patronus is a tortoiseshell cat, which are so adorable. I immediately looked up how they look like, and they're just so cute. I love any type of cat that have different colored furs, like tabby cats. I think they're so pretty. On a side note, I realized that I didn't color in my Patronus with blue, but I accidentally started coloring it before I realized my mistake. So please look over that error. I'm a reader. I've always been a reader, and I'm trying to expand my taste in reading different genre books. Right now I'm just rereading the Harry Potter series, so that's what I'm reading as of now. I've recently been into realism, which I may make my next video. I'm not quite sure. I am Korean, but I was born and raised in America. I'm not very tall. I would like to think I'm of average height, but who knows. Final thing is that I am still in school, so I'll try to continue posting a video once a week, but please understand if I'm unable to create a video. Thank you so much to everyone who watches these videos and to all my subscribers. You guys mean so much to me. Well, this is all I can think of saying, so I'm going to end the commentary here. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and see you next time. Bye!